Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Infinix Smart 7. To do this, we'll need to open our Chrome browser. Here, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go for the settings. Now scroll down and there should be passwords. Make sure that save passwords is on and we can move on to our browser again. Open any website that you want to save the login password for. In this case, I will use Facebook. Now we can enter our credentials. When you click on login on any website, after a while we should see the pop-up with save password. Click on that save button and then move on to the passwords again, the same way, open the settings and then passwords. Here on the bottom our Facebook page should show up, and if we click on it we'll be able to edit our credentials, so you can change the username or password by clicking on it and adding the letters or removing them. You can click on this I button when you have a lock screen set up to check the password. You can also click on this bin button to remove the password from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.